Okay, in this video first I'd like to apologize because I'm having to do my own camera work, but we're going to be looking at the time capsule problem, which I'm sure some of you are going to want to see before the weekend is out. That's probably the reason why I'm doing it this way. This problem says, Will wants people in the future to know what life is like today. So he goes shopping for a time capsule capacity. Along with price and quality is an important consideration for him. One time capsule he looks at is a right circular cylinder with a height h of 24 inches and a hemisphere of a radius r of 4 inches on each end. We're asked to find the volume of the time capsule using pi equals 3.14. You're also asked to round your answer to 2 decimal places. Okay? Well, here's the part where my own camera work really shows up, because I'm going to have to put this screen up and turn off some lights to show you what I've got this written on the board behind this problem. So and y'all will see a problem very similar to this in your homework. Find the volume of a right circular cylinder with a hemisphere on both ends. In this case, we're given that the radius is 4 and our height, h, is 24 inches. And these are both in inches. Now, it's really a pretty simple problem once you get around the fact that the volume of the whole time capsule will be the volume of your right circular cylinder plus the volume of your sphere. Now, we know, and because it's a hemisphere on both ends, we can get by with that. If there's only one end, then we'd take half of this volume. Okay? Now, the volume of the right circular cylinder is pi r squared times height. The volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. In this case, our radius r is 4 and our height is 24 inches. So we have pi times 4 squared times 24 plus 4/3 times pi times 4 cubed. Remember, this is going to be your all-important step. This is where a majority of your credit is going to be. The right numbers in the right formula in the right place. And then just do whatever you need to do. Now, for me on exams and quizzes, I expect your answers to be exact. So I'm showing you what I want and then what the software wants. So if you just do the math, 4 squared is 16, 4 cubed is 64, 16 times 24 is 384, 4/3 times 64 is 256 over 3. So basically you have 384 pi plus 256 over 3 times pi. When you add that up, you can use your calculator, come up with 1408 divided by 3 pi cubic inches. That is the exact answer. That's what I want to see on an exam or a quiz. And then just get your calculator out, punch this number in times pi. You should come up with 1474.54 cubic inches. All right, good luck. Go do some math.